Hi, this is Soft Toys Empire. What is inside? Are you ready to see what is inside? Let's find out. I'm so excited. What is inside? Oh, it's a soft toy. It's an elephant. It's a baby elephant. Hello, baby elephant. Oh, wow! Let's find out. Let's see what is inside. Oh, it's a baby panda. What a cute panda.
And pluck, panda, he can rock. Pandas bend rocks. Panda, he can rock. Bat can hum, duck can pluck. Panda, he can rock. Pandas bend rocks.
Oh, wow! Let's go. We need to find it. What is inside? Oh! You're hiding so much. Oh, it's a fox. Hi, baby fox. So cute. It's a pink baby fox. Oh, wow! What is our next? To find out. Let's go! Where are you? Oh, it's a sloth. Hi, baby sloth. So cute. Oh, wow! What is our next to find out? Let's begin! What is inside? Oh, where are you? Oh, it's a giraffe! Hi, baby giraffe! How are you? So cute! Thank you for watching Soft Toys Empire. Bye-bye!